Okay guys, so we're back with the cute short-haired girl, and we're gonna show you a couple more cute, easy hairstyles. This one is gonna be so easy, and it's just gonna make it so fun. And all you're gonna do is just take a small section like this big, and we're just going to make a very cute pony. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, leaving just a little bit of her bang out. And then same thing, just kind of pull them a little tighter and then loosen them up a little. Holy crap, that's freaking adorable.
That's
So there you have the first look, and we're going to show you how to do something really easy after that. Now we're going to do one more cute, easy hairstyle. You can either leave those ponytails in, or you can just take a new section, and all I'm going to do is just pretend I'm doing a pony, and right at the last one, just kind of pull it halfway through and wrap that around. And then do the same thing with this side. Leave her bang out. And just pretend I'm doing a pony. And then at the last one, wrap it halfway through. And don't pull it all the way. And then just kind of twist this guy. And you're gonna twist it around. And then you're gonna pull it through. And you want it to be messy, so you can just kind of mess them up. Okay, so after you get them in, you can just spray them a little with texture spray. And there you have another cute short hairstyle. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like down below. We'll see you next time.